Hi, this is Lily from New Woman, and welcome to my page. Hey, it's wonderful to see you back again. There's something special I wanted to share with you today. It again might not be special to you, but it's something that I wanted to share. So here we go. It's about listening. It's about tuning in to someone who just needs you, or just you to listen to them. There are people out there who needs people to just listen. You don't need to say anything. You don't need to even inspire them or have your say in anything, or you just need to listen to them. And there are people who just appreciate someone who genuinely listens. There's body language in also listening, because people can see that you're not really there. Your eyes could be here, and and your body language is your hands are folded, or you could be moving back. But hey, take the time out sometime. And if you ever come across someone who just needs to unload, you could be making that someone's day by just being there for them. It could be just an hour or half an hour, but you know what? That time for that person who needed to unload is so precious, because they're going to just a lot of things that have been going on for them. Maybe are they going through a lot of stuff with maybe families and friends and finances, anything, marriage, just anything that they could be going through, and they could be getting them down, but you come along and you had the time to just listen to them. And this is what I say, how important it is for us to listen sometimes. The simple things in life that we take for granted, it's just having an ear for someone to unload, and just being there for someone to talk to. Because there are a lot of lonely people out there. There's a lot of people that just want people to just listen. They don't want you to have any input, or you know what I'm saying. They just need someone to just nod their head and say, okay, yes, oh, And here I am, just giving you some just simple things in life that we forget to do sometimes. And that's having an ear to listen to someone, because someone has something special to share, but they don't have someone to share it with. And some of us are lucky because we have families and friends and a lot of people we can actually turn to. But there are people out there who don't have anyone. And if you come across those people, that's just my advice. Take the time out and, again, genuinely listen to them. That's all they would like, is for you just to listen. Hey, this is Lily again, coming to you with just a few of my, just what I think sometimes is so important in life to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos, and don't forget to click onto my links just below this video as well. I tell you what, it's great having you here today. I look forward to seeing you again. And again, just have the time to listen to someone. Cheers.